Hey, mom always said, clean your room. Well, actually, my mother always said, hey, look, there's carpet on your floor. My room was never that dirty, Mom. Hey, look, I don't care if you work by yourself or if you work with clients. You should have a clean and neat environment, right? I mean, look here, I got my transcriptions laid out. I got my script here. I got my little iPad running up there, and I got my notes over here. Nice and clean. I can work on my project, and I'm not ashamed to bring my client in here right now. If your room looks like this, we got some cleaning up to do now, don't we? Hey, look, I understand. We work long hours. Things get a little bit cluttered from time to time, right? But look at this. No, seriously, look. It's pretty nasty, don't you think? And yet, this is actually cleaner than some of the edit suites I've walked into. Hey, here's my general rule of thumb. If you wouldn't want a client sitting over your shoulder with a room looking like that, why are you working in the room? Hey, here's an idea. We all need to stand up. Sitting down 8 hours a day is not the best thing for you. So I'll tell you what, stand up a couple times a day, start picking up the trash, take it out to the sink, and if it takes a couple of trips, more exercise for you. There, that's better. Now we've got a nice, neat workspace. We can be creative. I don't have to worry about trash all over the place. And I also don't have to worry about if a client suddenly knocks at the door and wants to come in and I'm like, oh my God, my room is so messy. Hey, look, this is a service-driven industry. Never forget that. How you present yourself and how you present your workspace can have a big influence on repeat business. So keep it neat.